June's project of the month goes to these replacement toll booths and canopy designed for Indiana Toll Roads Concession Company, ITRCC, in Middlebury, Indiana. ITRCC was in need of new toll booths and wanted to add a canopy over them. They needed a fast, cost-effective way to implement their plans. Panelbuilt delivered a 50 by 60 by 16 high canopy with traffic lights installed over 2 of the toll lanes. Stairs to a landing on their existing building provides access to the roof of the canopy. Lighting was added to ensure safe travel for all cars passing through the booths. The toll booth and canopy system from Panelbuilt worked out wonderfully. I appreciated working with Panelbuilt on this project. The customer service was great, said Cory Hostetler, project manager, Yoder Construction. Thank you so much to Cory Hostetler and his team from Yoder Construction for the great photos and for ensuring another successful project. If you have a newly installed Panelbuilt project, submit your pictures to info@panelbuilt.com for your chance to win $50.